Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a Dollar Tree haul with you. I got some food items, some household items, and just some fun finds. So let's just jump right in. These TGI Fridays potato skins, the cheddar and bacon. These are so good. I love these. I did get 2 bags of these marshmallow circus peanuts. And I thought these would make really good snacks for school snack. You get 18 for $1.25 in this pack. They're individually packed and they're just chocolate sandwich cookies, so a knockoff brand of Oreo. And these come in the 10 pack, but this 18 one was such a good deal. 10 pack little bags of cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and these remind me of like a knockoff of Chips Ahoy or something. I was pleased with this find here. Okay, now for the house items. Foil sheets, 30 count. Scotty's tissues, these were 128 count today. I love the box print today. And 30 count foam plates. 2 of these 48 count cutlery set. You get 16 spoons, 16 forks, 16 knives. Picked up 2 of those, and they finally had this back in stock, so I wanted to grab one. It's the daytime cold and flu relief, so to put back in the cabinet when we need it. And you'll see there's no cleaning supplies today because I already stocked up on cleaning supplies the last time I went to the Dollar Tree. Well, I got a 2-pack of these. I guess they're 2 cake pans. Connor's birthday is coming up and his birthday party, so I wanted some containers to hold cupcakes or hot dogs, whatever I want to use these for, but I needed some foil pans. So, 2-pack of those. And then one of my favorite finds today is actually from SureFresh, and these are the reusable square containers. They're microwave safe, they are freezer safe. You get 4 containers with 4 lids and they nest together, so for easy storing in the cabinet as well. This is the only one they had at my store, and when I seen it I had to have it. Such a good deal on containers. And for Connor's birthday I needed some wrapping paper. There was kind of slim pickings today in terms of gift wrap, but his favorite color is blue. It does say happy birthday. It has balloons, cake, and candles, and party hats on there. So, you get 20 square foot. Plenty enough to wrap what I have. Speaking of Connor's birthday, we found this really cute Game Boy cup. They had blue, black, and I think they had green. And his favorite color is blue, so we picked him up the blue one, and we thought this would be fun to have to drink out of, obviously, and to have a special cup on his birthday, because he's having a game kind of themed party. So I thought that was super cute. And just for fun, we picked him up this whoopee cushion. They had the blue, they had an orange, and they had a pink. I did find a candle today from the Wizard brand, and this is Cashmere Woodlands. It's a 3-ounce candle and up to 25-hour burn, so they're comparable to Glade. They even very similar packaging as well, and it smells really nice. And once again, I'm all about fall and winter scents, and I burn them year round, so I really like this. And I needed a lint roller, and this is a laundry essential. It's a bonus one. You get 40 sheets, and it's 25% more sticky. It has more adhesive on it, so it's an extra sticky lint roller. And I have a couple repurchases. I purchased this Diamond Cosmetics Super Dry Top Coat so many times. That's what I have now as a top coat. And there's quite a bit of nail growth too, but because I've actually had these nails or this polish on for at least 7 days now, and it still looks pretty good. Minimal wear on the edge line, so, and it does dry super quickly, so it works. It's really shiny too. But I got this again, and I picked up, this is the second time getting this Diamond Cosmetics Miracle Nail. I really like this for like a nail strengthener kind of product. It's a nail hardener, but so far I have no issues with my nails breaking or anything like that using this. I actually really like the strength that it's been giving my nails, and it's such an affordable product, and it's been working. Again, today I picked up another Color Vibes nail polish. The camera is not doing any kind of justice to this polish. This looks like a neon highlighter polish, a color, but it leans more on the green lime side, and that's what drew me to this. I have 2 neon colors from Color Vibe now for spring and summer, and this is literally called highlighter. It's so pretty. Yeah, it's not showing true color, but it's gorgeous. And then one of my favorite finds today, and last find, was the Candy Moyo Vitamin E Scented Cuticle Oil. And this one is peach. At my store, they have peach and lavender. And of course, lavender is a no-go for me. But they have the, these are mimicking the ones that are like $8 at Walmart with all the flowers in them. But it has the flowers in there. How cute is that? And peach scent. So, and it's vitamin E. Safe for your nails and your cuticles. That's what it's marketed as. And I bet this smells so good. I have one of the nail polishes from this brand, and it's so pretty. So pretty. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. I'm thinking, if anyone's interested, I'm thinking about doing a full video on doing a full like set of nails using DollarTree products. So like the cuticle oil, files, the base coat, the strengthener, the top coat, nail polish, all the steps that I would take normally in a polish change, doing it with all DollarTree products. So I'm thinking I'm going to film something like that and use some of these really pretty new products that I have. So that's all for my DollarTree haul today. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional DollarTree links. And thank you so very much for watching.